Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's your girl Kim. How are you guys doing? Compliment of the season, guys. So today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I make my Faux Locs. Now this method I'm using is a different method entirely. I saw this method here on YouTube, so I just decided to try it out and see how it goes. So you guys relax and keep on watching. And if this is your first time here on my channel, you're welcome to this channel. Please hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. Also give me a thumbs up and leave your comment in the comment section. So right now I'm just going to start with sectioning my hair. I'm just going to section the front first before I proceed to show you guys the rest part of the hair. So I'll take this section out and just braid it down. Just braid the front part, like section it and braid it, section it and braid it. That's what I just did at the front.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be.
After sectioning my hair, this is the crochet Faux Locs I'm using. It's from Leyoo. Guys, this is the name on the screen. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it very well. So this is the Faux Loc that they sent. Like each bag contained 3 packs of Faux Locs. So I have a total of 6, and they sent an extra crochet hook with 2 clips and some elastic band. Each pack contained 24 pieces of Faux Locs, and the color is a TGrey color in 10-inch. You guys, this color is so unique and it's really very beautiful. So I'm just going to show you guys how it looks like from the pack and just start with this installation now. So basically what I'm going to do is open up the loop, just open it, and it can get as wide as you want it to get. And the Faux Locs is really nice. So I'm just going to pass my crochet hook through my hair now. Just pass my crochet hook through my hair, open up the loop. Like I said before, it can get as wide as you want it to get. Just open it up and then place it on the crochet hook, close it up, and then pass it through your hair. Guys, this is self-explanatory, so I'm just going to let you guys watch this, and I'm going to leave all details of those Faux Locs in the description box, so you guys check my description box for details on those Faux Locs, and just order yours and make your hair with it. Or you can also make a wig with it. You guys, you can do this. You can make a Faux Locs wig with this hair.
Don't you think we're done? Don't you think we're done? Don't you think we're done? Knew that it was true from the way you looked at me. At me. Don't know what to do, what to say to make you leave with me. Make me feel alive. Take my hand and run, let me be the one. Let's just take the dive. Don't you think we're done? Don't you think we're done? Don't you think we're done? Make me feel alive. Take my hand and run, let me be the one. Let's just take the dive. Night's only begun. Don't you think we're done?
reaching out, but all I feel is hollow. I wanna make you work, but all I do is make you worse. The truth is a damn hard pill to swallow. Don't you wanna come on over? Don't you wanna work it out? Don't you wanna love me better, love me better, love me now? Don't you wanna fix our problems? Baby, I can show you how. Don't you wanna love me better, love me better, love me now?
So after installing this Faux Locs, I just went ahead to apply my foaming motion on it, and I'm just going to tie it up. Now the reason why I'm tying this up so it will just, you know, lay flat and it will not like rise. So that's why I'm tying it up, so it will lay very flat. And I'm just, while it is there, I'm just going to do my makeup and I will be back. This hair is super lightweighted and I used 5.5 pack. Like I did not finish the full 6 packs that was sent, and it is full. Guys, this hair is full and it is so lightweighted. Like I said before, I'm going to leave details of this Faux Locs in the description box, so you guys check my description box. Also give me a thumbs up and leave your comment in the comment section. See how gorgeous these Faux Locs are looking. Guys, this color is beautiful. Like, see how it just changed my face. This is beautiful, guys. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this color. Guys, for me, I love it. I love this TGrey color. It's so beautiful and very unique. Guys, let me know in the comment section what you think, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm